Hi guys, welcome to Cooking and Crocheting with Lori at Lori's Crochet Corner 2. I hope you're all doing well today. We're going to do a quick, easy chili recipe. If you prepare all your ingredients the night before, you just throw it all together and you're good to go about 5 hours later. First, you're going to start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Fry it up. Make sure you drain the fat. Then you're going to use 1 can. I use Hunt's tomato sauce. You can use whatever you prefer. You're also going to add a can of water. I'm using 1 large can of red kidney beans. These are light red kidney beans. Leave the juice in. That will be used, that's like a thickening agent for your chili as it cooks. One green pepper and 1 onion, small chopped. Then you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Give it a good mix. That's all you really need. Put your crock pot on high. Cook it 4 to 5 hours. Taste it in between. See how you like it. You may want to add more seasonings. That's up to you and your preference. So we'll be back with the finished product in about 4 to 5 hours. See you then. All right, the chili is now complete. Turned out very well. I'm going to be eating this for a while. The one thing that I didn't tell you to put in it was 3 beef bouillon cubes. I will be putting the chili, once it cools, into these mason jars. Let it cool in the fridge and then put them up in the freezer and they'll last you all winter. Great for a nice hot meal on a cold day. So there you have it. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.